Open a sketch in the front view and freehand draw half of the object's geometry. Define the center line as a for construction line. Set the outer dimensions of the object according to the plan. Continue dimensioning only the outer dimensions of the object. To correctly define the horizontal dimensions, select the line and hover over the dashed line. To generate the solid, use the revolved boss base operation and select the dashed line as the axis of revolution. Now it's time to hollow out the solid. For this, draw a sketch in the front view, and in this case, define the internal dimensions. To make the cut, use the revolved cut operation. Great! To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck!